A Manchester man gets a total of 33 years for sexually assaulting a 14-year-old girl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break with the details to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links TV. Let's talk. Crime and violence take many shapes, many forms, and many different aspects of our lives from time to time. And when we look on what is going on in our country, it's very sad to see how the crime rate is spiraling out of control, not only as it relates to murder, but also sexual offenses as well, especially towards female. Now, a Manchester man was sentenced to a total of 33 years for sexually assaulting a 14-year-old girl. Now, we're about to provide you with some latest details in relation to this matter after the court handed down the sentence yesterday. And this was what many expected to have happened in the latest instance. So, a Manchester man who had sex with his wife's 14-year-old niece has been sentenced to a total of 33 years in prison. The name of the victim is being withheld to protect their identity. He was given a mandatory minimum of 15 years in prison for having the relationship with a person under the age of 16 years old, 15 years for grievous sexual assault, and 3 years in prison at hard labor for sexual touching. In the sentence being handed down by the justice, the sentence which are to be served simultaneously were imposed by Chief Justice Brian Sykes in the Manchester Home Circuit Court on Friday, weeks after he was found guilty of the offense. Sykes, in explaining his decision to impose the mandatory minimum sentence, pointed out that the Manchester man was a person in authority over the child as he defined in law. Further, he said that engaging in a relationship or intercourse with a child creates psychological scars which affect them throughout their adult years, and that the law should serve as protection for children. Prosecution led evidence that the man went to the 14-year-old's room and had sexual relationship with her while her mother was away. On another occasion, he approached the female while she was using an outside bathroom and also made sexual advances at her. The matter was reported to a guidance counselor at the school, and the police were contacted and the individual taken into custody in relation to this matter. Now, the identity of both these individuals were not released based on the fact that this female, she is considered a minor at the point in time. And if the identity of the male that carried out the act was to be given, it is more unlikely or likely that someone would be able to can do the maths and identify who the female is with this latest case. But he was sentenced to a total of 33 years old, and this incident happened in Manchester. And it said that this incident happened while the mother was away and left the child in his company, which is very unfortunate. But the police believe that they have the right individual and they have so far laid the charges, and he was found guilty in relation to this matter. Now, he has now a lengthy sentence to deal with, and the police are so far just commending the 14-year-old for coming forward and providing the police with all the necessary evidence so that they could have a speedy and also amicable decision being made by the judge in the recent development. But this happened in Manchester, and the court was actually in session when this was handed down, and the prison time that was imposed on this individual was 33 years, and this was handed down by Chief Justice Brian Sykes in the Manchester Parish Court last week Friday. But we'll continue to just chat this story and provide you with any more details in relation to this matter. Thanks for watching. This has been Links of 7 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and bless.